Arka je kratki animirani film, dug 15 minuta, rađen u kombinaciji 3D i 2D tehnike. Radi se o jednom kruzeru koji plovi morem. Film je nastao u produkciji Kreativnog sindikata, producent je bio Ivor. Na filmu su još radili Maša Seničić i Damir Juričić kao koscenaristi. Pavle Stanojević je pomogao u animaciji 4 kadra, te Maja Kordić je dala svoj glas kao operna pjevačica. Ne mogu se pobuniti kao animator u Hrvatskoj, radim komercijalne i malo manje komercijalne projekte. Što se tiče ovih malo manje komercijalnih umjetničkih projekata, tu imamo HAVC, jednu jako dobru ustanovu koja održava zapravo hrvatski film na životu i koja uvelike financira proizvodnju tih umjetničkih filmova.
Try to make narrative films always search for these guidelines.
My name's Thomas Johnson, and for Animafest this year I'm making another performance stop animation live work with my good friend Adam Butcher.
I work in Luxembourg, mainly animating and doing various things on feature films. I come from more of a short film background. I did work in Zagreb for a short time a few years ago. I have a history here, so I always appreciate the opportunity to come back and contribute in some way.
So the project is titled Voices Between the Frames, and it's a durational stop-motion animation performance in which one of us is typing at a typewriter and those messages become part of me, part of the animation. Five years ago, I made a piece called Portrait in which I was painting festival guests in a kind of collage of different parts of their portraits in an amalgamated image. And ever since I've really wanted to do something different for each festival, but also to introduce animation on a live stage so that people can see the process of animation as well as the resultant film. Right now we're sort of halfway through, or not even halfway through, a quarter way through a durational performance. And so there's fragments of thoughts and ideas which have been contributed by Adam. And the mask is built up of a sort of paper mache from these typed notes.
I think Animafest is seen as one of the most important festivals in Europe. Obviously in Western Europe, where I'm based, all of the focus is on Annecy, I suppose. But the scene here, if I can use that term, is more experimental, whereas over in the West it's maybe more commercial and feature film based and TV series and that kind of thing. Personally, I see Zagreb, the animation scene here, as a kind of, it's almost like a factory, coming up with these original ideas and concepts and even methods and things, and then eventually some of these develop and make their way further afield.